If you want to lose belly fat fast, here's one simple solution you must use, because this unique method targets belly fat exclusively, and the good thing is it has nothing to do with diet or exercise. So before you go on any diets, I'd suggest you to click the link on this video now, because you need to understand, 1. Not all fats are created equal, and belly fat is one of those crappy fat that resides deep in your abdominal area. And with that being said, you need some special trickery to actually burn it off. 2. Diets will most likely going to set you on a yo-yo journey, because no one is sticking to any for more than a month. And the result of this is hamstringing your fat loss goals, and setting you up for failure even before you started. And worst of all, I can almost guarantee that you'll have to deal with constant rebounds every single time, hence wasting your effort and time. Understand that you don't need to, because if you click this ad, I'll show you exactly how you can lose belly fat with ease while still eating your favorite foods. Honestly, I think you'll agree with me that losing belly fat is one of the hardest things ever. No matter how healthy you eat, or how much you drench yourself at the gym, the fat just seems to be sticking around like forever. That's how I accidentally discovered this unique solution that changed everything for me. I have been able to keep my waistline in check, while keeping my same diet, and having barely leaving my couch. Frankly, I'm still in awe, getting from looking like this, to this so effortlessly. And I'm not exaggerating because my husband is constantly complaining that I'm addicted to shopping. But after losing 43 pounds in a few short months, none of my clothes fit. So if you really want to lose belly fat fast, I urge you to stop what you're doing, and click the link on this video now.